Would you like to get paid $5 or $1,000 for an hour of your time? You're probably thinking, duh, give me $1,000. $5 is chump change. If that's the case, let me explain. But first, my name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom you deserve. I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. So let me ask you this question. Why are you manually sending your dispute letters? That's a $5 per hour task, taking you away from other income generating activities. Now hear me out. It takes on average 3 minutes to manually send one dispute letter. I know this because I used to send manually. So if you have 100 clients and you send a letter to all 3 credit bureaus, you'll be spending 15 hours per month folding, stuffing, and mailing letters. 15 hours per month. Say goodbye to your weekends. I mean, do you think Oprah films and produces shows for her network or writes the content for her magazine? No, she's too busy interviewing royals and growing her brand like a boss. Remember, you are the visionary, not the workhorse. The 30-Day CRA app can send your letters automatically. In fact, did you know the 30-Day CRA app sends 20 letters in less than 1 minute? With the press of a button. That means your 15 hours of work is reduced to just 15 minutes. No more printing and mailing letters or dragging and dropping letters in another system. It's so simple and so much of a time saver. My student Eric, who is a father and husband, says the 30-Day CRA mailing app is better than Chick-fil-A. Another student, Erica, who is a busy mom, used the 30-Day CRA app to get her weekends back. You didn't get into this business to spend late nights and weekends stuffing envelopes and getting paper cuts. With the time saved from using the 30-Day CRA app, you could close more sales, sleep, relax, spend more time with your spouse, spend more time with your kids, sleep some more. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to outsource your letters, look no further than the 30-Day CRA app. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And did you know this app is just one of 7 bonuses you get with the 30-Day CRA program? Here's what else you get. My infinite content process, secret sales prompts, automated emails for profit, business credit mastery, the automated sales machine, and expert interviews. Are you tired of doing $5 per hour work? Are you ready to get paid thousands? Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.